Namaste and welcome back to today's lesson where we continue with belonging. You see, finding and joining a community is one thing, but if we're just part of that, sitting on the sidelines without really participating, being quiet and shy, that's not going to serve us, right? We need to show up in that community and engage with others. Because if you want to receive more support, motivation, and encouragement, you need to give that to others first. That's simply a law of nature. Whatever you want to attract into your life, you need to give to others first. So what does that mean? When you see a post in our community, you want to engage with it. You want to leave a like and a comment, ask questions, offer your support, connect with that person. And then when you post something, you're going to be supported, you're going to receive motivation. When you ask a question, people are going to respond. But what happens if you see a post and you just scroll past it without interacting? There won't be any real sense of community created. So the next time you post, there won't be any responses coming in and you won't receive or get anything out of it. And this extends to everything in life, not just this habit of yoga. Imagine you want to receive more smiles. Then you have to go out and give them to others first. We all think that the world is an unfriendly place and that everybody is worried, but no. We are being unfriendly if we think that way. If instead of just waiting for someone to smile at us, we're the first to smile at others, you're going to receive smiles back. It's as simple as that. So, back to belonging. Your task for today is to comment on other people's posts, interact with them, engage with them, offer what you can to support them or to answer their questions. That way, you're going to give support to people who are on the same path as you, who are also working on building this habit of a daily yoga practice, or who have already established that habit. And by giving that support first, you're going to receive it when you really need it. And isn't it so much more fun in general to be on this journey with a group of people who are like-minded, who have the same vision, and who are all walking in the same direction as you are. That's it for today. I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.